Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to configure tables in VPC, step-by-step guide. Learn how to configure route tables in Virtual Private Cloud to control traffic flow between subnets and gateway in AWS. First step, open your browser and go to the AWS Management Console, log in using your AWS credentials. Next step, navigate to the VPC dashboard. VPC. In the AWS console search bar, type VPC and select VPC drop-down. You will be taken, as you've seen, to the VPC dashboard. Next step, select the VPC you want to work with. Here is the one VPC. This is a default. I will select this VPC. Create. We now should create public and private subnet if you not already done this. From the subnet, click on create subnet. VPC ID, select your VPC. Now, subnet name, public subnet, for example. Availability zone, choose your preferred availability zone. I will choose US East 1A. Cyberblock, enter a range. For example, /24. And create subnet. Sorry. Oh, this is overlap. Now it's ready. Send. Access the route tables here. You will see the default route table associated with your VPC. This is. Now we should create a new route table for the private subnet. Click on route table, create route table, name tag, private route table. Under VPC, select VPC of working fees. Here's the default. And create route table. Now we should associate the private route table with the private subnet. Select the route table you just created. Return here. Under Subnet Association tab, click Edit Subnet Associations. Subnet Associations. Edit Subnet Associations. Select Private Subnet and click Save Associations. Save Associations. Now we should modify the public route table for the internet access. we should return to our root tables. Select the default root table, usually already created. When you create the VPC, under the root tab, click Edit Roots. Add new root. I added before. Destination is 0 default gateway. Target, you will select Internet Gateway, and you should have created this earlier. This is, I did it earlier, that's why I will remove this and save changes. Next step, associate the public root table with the public subnet. Select the public root table. This is my public root table. Under Subnet Associations tab, edit subnet associations. Select the public subnet and save associations. Now we should test connectivity. Launch an EC2 instance in the public subnet to verify that it has internet access. Go to EC2 console. Here, launch instance. My EC2. Choose Amazon Linux. Pair to Micro Free Tier. Key pair I have before created key pair. If you haven't, you can create new key pair here. And here you can choose all of traffic HTTPS, HTTP, all of traffic from anywhere, and launch instance. Now, launch another EC2 instance in the private subnet and check its ability to communicate with other private resources. Now I will launch another instance. My private EC2. Select Amazon. Pair to Micro. Select key pairs. And launch instance. Now I will stop and will wait when the status is running. Now we'll check our private EC2. For this, I will connect my public EC2 and connect from here, connect with SSH, and will ping to private IP address. This private IP address from another instance, ping. As you see, all is okay, ping is going. But remember, for this you should open security group, and you should allow for ICMP traffic. Now we will test our public instance, and we'll connect to public instance for check internet connectivity. Okay, ping 888. As you see, all is done. You have now successfully configured route tables in your VPC to manage traffic flow between public and private subnets. You can continue to fine-tune your setup based on specific needs, such as adding NAT gateways or more complex routing configuration or hybrid environments.